Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Brittany. For those of you who are new, we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial today, and if you like makeup tutorials and skincare talk and makeup talk, don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see how I created this entire makeup look, then go ahead and please keep on watching. All right y'all, let's get started with this tutorial. I am barefaced. I have moisturizer on. Today we're going to be using the L'Oreal Perfecting Base Primer, and I really like this. It's a little bit too much, but you know, we're just rolling and flowing with it. Really wanted to get this out by Valentine's Day, but clearly that did not happen. Then we're gonna do the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer as well. This much of it, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. I have not bought any makeup. I did, however, spend and splurge a little bit on the skincare. If you follow me on TikTok, you've already seen it. So I'm putting the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer right on the areas that I didn't put the L'Oreal primer. So basically right on that perimeter of the face. Okay, because I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors foundation, and it's a very matte finish, and if you have been here for a little bit, my skin is clearly not the same anymore. So I'm going to also prep with the Keys Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. I've had this for a really good while now. It's been like a year, I think. And it's a very more like luminous kind of, if you like that like luminous glitter look, this is for you. But if you do not like that, then you're probably not gonna like it. But we're just gonna give a little kind of sheen to the skin. This is 9 years ago, and then this is 9 years later. I'll use this in another video, but this is more neutrals. Obviously this has a little bit more fun colors, and I'm really wanting to kind of like dig into the purples today. So let's bring you closer. Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer, just to kind of prep the eyes. Just to give you an update, look at this, how much I've used. Oh my god, are we proud? I am so proud. Alright, I will have to tell you, I have not washed my makeup brushes. So if they're a little dirty, I have not washed them. Sorry. I'm just building up that concealer down. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Blush. We're gonna use this middle shade right here in the center, and I'm using this color because I really want a transition shade route. I really want a transition shade on the crease. And I'm honestly just doing a really messy kind of application for this eyeshadow color. I am not being precise at all. This color right here, just gonna pop that right on the outside and on the outside. I finally bought myself a NYX glitter primer because I didn't have one for myself, and I'm like, dude, I really need one so bad. So I'm just gonna pop that right on the inner half where I didn't put that plum color. We're gonna add that purple shimmery shade, and I really want it to stick on and really accentuate that color because it's so pretty, and we are gonna use my fingers to apply that. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I feel like my lighting in here is not catching it any justice, you know? This might throw off the entire look, but I'm gonna go for it. This is the REM Beauty Fembot liquid eyeshadow. I tried to make this work last time and it was a fail. Okay, so I'm gonna see if this works better this time and not use so much. I think that was the problem. I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of it, nothing intense, because the last time I used it, it was a complete fail. Okay, see, now this is looking so much better than what I did the last time that I tried using this eyeshadow. So I'm really happy that this looks better. Now I'm gonna go back in with that purple shade that we used on the crease color, kind of to intensify the little outer corner a bit. We're gonna darken up that outer corner just a tad bit. I'm gonna use this really dark chocolate brown color right on the outer corner. Here we go. And just for the brow bone color, I'm using the lightest shade in this palette. So this one right here, it's like a bone color. And popping out on the brow bone. I'm gonna fast forward this part. We're gonna do some eyeliner. Did put on mascara. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna use these House of Lashes iconic mini lashes that have been my go-to as of lately. And then for foundation, I am pulling out the Dose of Colors foundation. I'm in the shade 123 medium tan. We're gonna put that on with the Dose of Colors beauty sponge. This does not match me right now. I should have lightened it. Oops. We can fix it with a little concealer. Oh my god, this looks so dark on me. Shish kebab. We're gonna bring out Huda Beauty in the shade Cookie Dough, because this is clearly not, it's not blending good, so you know, it's okay. We're gonna do a little bit of cream bronzer, and this is a Persona Cosmetics Sahara matte bronze stick. I've been actually really liking this formula, surprisingly. Not too bad. She's a little too deep, I would say, but I go in with a light hand because you see how pigmented that is. She packs a punch. The other day I was getting ready for work. I accidentally was going ham, and I looked like a helmet head of bronzer. I'm like, dude, get it together. Get it together, Brittany. Tower 28 Golden Hour for cream blush today. Just right on the apples of the cheeks. Let's blend out the under eye before anything, and then just blending out my little fine lines around my eyes, because you already know. Sephora powder today, 33 Honey. Looking up and pressing in to the under eye. I'm gonna do a little baking action with the Sephora translucent powder. Okay, use very little, not too much baking action today. And then the rest of the face, we're going to use the Sephora powder again, and I'm going to set and seal the powder. I'm going to seal that foundation all into place, and then pressing in and kind of sweeping away the baking, which I barely even did. Cover the eyes and set the lower half and the top half. My brows take forever and a day, so I'm going to do those off camera, and then I'm going to apply my lashes off camera too, so I'll be right back. The eyebrows, lashes are put on. We're going to use the Dose of Colors Gold is the New Black highlighter. I'm not sure if they have this anymore, but this is a really nice highlighter. It's more on the gold side. Let's see if, you know, it still kind of matches my complexion, but we shall see. Yeah, see, I think because I've mixed other highlighters with this brush specifically. Oh, yeah, we're still good. Oh, okay, I put a little bit too much on the side. Oopsies. The blush, we're gonna use the Dose of Colors and Shayla collab that happened this past year, I believe in 2022. We're gonna use the blush color in here, and this is the highlighter that it comes with. It just kind of reminds me of the Juvia's Place duo that's kind of floating around on TikTok, the suntan bronzer. My blush doesn't look as crazy as I did earlier, but oh, it was just a little too much, just a little bit. Gonna pinch, just put that right on where my earlobe is, just so it can look a little bit more snatched. For the lower lash line, we're gonna use that same plum color and put that right on the bottom. Going with that more the cafe color. It's like a really rich brown color. Mascara on the bottom lashes. So excited to use this color. It's this one, this color right here in the center of this palette. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna use the cashew later. I have so many colors of Dose that I'm like, I don't even know which color to choose. But I love this formula so freaking much. Gosh, this color is just, I love this color so much. That is the end of this entire makeup look. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, just hanging out and chilling with me. As always, I appreciate your time being here with me and taking the time to watch my videos. But I will see you all in the next one. Toodles!